How can I troubleshoot Xfinity Stream TV accessibility issues?
Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a common issue: troubleshooting accessibility problems with your Xfinity Stream TV. This is an important topic for those who are experiencing trouble accessing or using the Xfinity Stream TV service. Let's dive right in.
Are you experiencing general or specific issues?
The first step in troubleshooting is determining the nature of your problem. Are you experiencing a general problem, such as the inability to load Xfinity Stream TV on your device, or is it a more specific problem like error messages popping up? Once you've determined this, we can start to narrow down potential solutions.
Troubleshooting general issues.
For general issues, like the service not loading or freezing, there are some common solutions. Start by checking your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can lead to a lot of streaming issues. Next, try restarting your device, whether it's your computer, smartphone, or smart TV. It's a simple step, but you'd be surprised at how often this can fix the issue. Lastly, update your app or browser. Running on an outdated version can often lead to compatibility issues with streaming services like Xfinity.
Troubleshooting specific issues.
If you're dealing with more specific issues like error messages or particular features not working, the solutions might be a bit different. One common solution is to clear your browser cache and cookies. These can sometimes interfere with how websites and services operate. If you're using an app, try uninstalling and reinstalling it. If the problem persists, it might be useful to contact Xfinity customer service. They may be aware of any ongoing issues or can provide specific troubleshooting guidance based on the error you're experiencing.
Ensuring accessibility options.
Xfinity Stream TV provides a range of accessibility options. If you're having trouble accessing these features, ensure they are enabled in your settings. Also, make sure your device itself has any necessary accessibility settings enabled. That wraps up our guide to troubleshooting Xfinity Stream TV accessibility issues. Remember, start by identifying your issue, try common solutions like checking your internet connection, clearing your browser cache, and don't hesitate to reach out to Xfinity customer service for help. We hope this video has been helpful in getting your streaming experience back on track. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.